What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to show you guys two little car accessories just to modify the interior of your car. So if you take a look over here, I have an aftermarket steering wheel. So this is a deep dish, plus I have a quick release uh, and the hub adapter. So that kind of pushes the steering wheel just a little bit more forward, which I'm okay with the reach. This is just a perfect feeling for right here inside my car. And here's the shifter. So everything is within reach for the exception of the blinker. Whenever I have to engage the blinker, it's just a little bit far, so I have to like let go of the steering wheel and put the blinker. But so for that, the first little mod I got is this. This is a little extension handle for your blinkers. So this one also has a few little screws right here just to adjust the angle and also the reach of the handle. So let's go ahead and install this one. Alright, so it also comes with these little foam blocks in different thicknesses. These are about 1/4 inch and these are about 1/8 of an inch, give or take. And they have adhesive on one side of the foam block. And these are just in case your blinker fits loosely through here. You can add these foams from the inside and it'll help tighten up with your car's blinker handle. I'm going to use the thin one since this is almost a perfect fit with my blinker. Alright, so there it is installed onto the blinker handle, and all I had to do is just tighten these bolts up right here, the little screws, just by adjusting either the reach, the distance away from the steering wheel, or depending on the size of the steering wheel, you might want to extend it outwards or push it back inwards. It depends on what feels comfortable whenever putting the blinker, but that's pretty much it. Alright, so now that I have that installed, the second accessory that I got for my car was a cell phone holder. Now every time I jump in my car, there really isn't a place where I can just rest my phone, so it's very uncomfortable. So let me go ahead and flip the camera. Alright, so I took off the case for my cell phone because obviously I am recording with my cell phone. But I took off the case so you guys can see the size of it, and jumping in here. Alright, so in here, whenever I jump in, normally I'll set it in here, but it doesn't really sit well in there, not even cornered. So sometimes it's just resting like that. Another place would be right here under the shifter. It doesn't really fit in there either, especially when driving, it'll just fall off, especially with the weight of the phone. Even if I open the cup holders, it doesn't fit inside the cup holder. Over here there's this little slot, which I'm not really sure what it's for, but the whole phone sticks out, so it doesn't fit in there either. And I'm not about to let my phone in direct sunlight. I have enough problems with my phone overheating, so that is a bad idea. So normally if it's not in here, I'll set it on the seat or on the door, which I'll set it right here, which is also not a good idea. So for that, I went ahead and got this one. This is by Syncwire. So this is a universal car mount for dashboard. And let me go ahead and open this. I'll unbox it and I'll show you why I got this one. So I went ahead and took everything from the box and laid it right here. So makes it easier to show you guys. So first off, the bracket. This is it. And unlike the plastic ones that'll vibrate whenever you're driving, with the vibration, this is made out of aluminum, so that's a plus. One of the reasons that I liked it. Right here you can angle the bracket, that way gives you a perfect viewing point for your phone, and it's actually really sturdy as well. This nut right here, you can loosen it and adjust it in and out, or you can also remove the nut. Right here it has a rubber seat, so it doesn't move side to side, especially once you tighten it up. Over here on this side as well. You can also flip this one backwards, so in case you want to mount this on, let's just say, your windshield or some place above, you can angle this like that. And this is the head for the phone. This is where you're going to mount the phone. So it has a nut right here with a rubber seat on the inside. So whenever you put this on this little ball joint and tighten it, and it creates a really sturdy mount, and it's not tightened all the way, so very sturdy. So like I said, you can mount this either on a dashboard facing down like that, or in case you want to mount this on like towards the top, you can mount it like that. Just put the nut back on. Oops. Like that. Check it out. So this right here is actually a magnet. It's magnetic. So it comes with two of these metal rings. They have some adhesive glue right here, and it's made out of metal. So this goes behind your cell phone, and once you get your cell phone close to this, it holds it in place. It's actually really strong. I'll take this off right now. But other than that, it comes with two metal rings. You have a double-sided adhesive right here, a mounting pad, and it also comes with a second one, and it comes with some alcohol wipes, so just to clean the surface wherever you're going to mount the pad right here. So let's go ahead and take this inside the car, find the perfect spot to mount this, and I'll show you how it looks afterwards. So after playing around with different locations where I could mount the phone, I finally decided not everything has to be mounted onto the dashboard, and so I came up with this. Kind of close where I originally placed my phone, just right here. So I placed the bracket onto this plastic of the center console, and it is on the side so it doesn't move or shake at all. Right here, the nut for the mount, I went ahead and tightened it as well. So over here on my case, I placed one of the metal rings right here, and it also has this little silicone feel to it, like nice soft rubber. So whenever I place my phone, it's nice and sturdy right there. Very strong magnet as well. And yeah, so even the e-brake is just out of the way, and on the shifter as well, I can shift, and there's plenty of space right here. So overall, I like the bracket and I like the placement, so very nice. Alright guys, so that is it for today. Another 2 more products from the Amazon store. If you guys found them useful, check out the links in the description. If you have an aftermarket steering wheel and are having trouble reaching that turn signal, check out that extender. And also, if you guys are in the market for a cell phone holder for your car, check out this one by Syncwire. This one is in space gray, but they also have one in carbon fiber look. So it is made out of aluminum and very sturdy, so I highly recommend it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace out.